بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
So welcome to lesson 1.6. We're still on Qaida Nuraniya, the alphabet. So we've covered so far all the way from Alif to Mim. So before we start, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
So we've covered from Alif all the way to Mim. Today we will start from Noon and complete up to all the way Ya, and that will be our Huruf al-Hijaiya covered, inshallah. Make sure you are going through the previous lessons and make sure you are repeating them and revising through the full mouth letters. So we're on Noon, the letter Noon.
Noon.
So the Noon sound comes when the edge of the tongue touches the gums of the upper two front teeth. So, yeah, upper two front.
Three front.
Yes. Upper three front teeth. So, Noon.
Noon.
We're making a round shape with the lips. It's like a whistling type of sound. You know when you whistle, the shape you make. So it's a similar shape you make into that. So like a round shape with the lips. Noon.
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 Noon. We covered Mim and we said also partially the sound comes from the nose, nasal. Same applies to the Noon. So the Noon and Mim both, the sound kind of comes like similar to a whistle through the nose. Noon. You can actually feel it. Noon.
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 Do you think it's a heavy letter or a light letter?
Light letter.
Why?
Because it's not in Hosada.
Okay, well done. It is a light letter. So with the light letters, usually your mouth won't be full. So you're keeping the sound in with the full mouth letters. But with the Noon, we're whistling the sign kind of out, and it's coming through the nose as well. And full mouth letters never come through the nose. So Noon.
Noon.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
So the next letter we have is Wow.
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 So the sound of the Wow letter comes when the both upper and lower lip are made round and they meet but not completely. Yeah?
Yeah.
So Wow.
Wow.
You see they don't touch. Yeah? The lips don't meet. It reminds me of this nowadays this fashion thing how people do. So it's Wow.
Wow.
So it's like the English is similar. The sound is similar to the English W. The word sound in phonics. Yeah. So it's like literally saying the word we have W-O-W, wow. So
Yeah.
you're literally just kind of saying that. Wow.
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 Your lips need to be round.
Wow.
Not smiley. Yeah. So you're making like an O shape with the lips. Wow.
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 That's it. Yeah, it is a light. So the wow is a light letter, and it is often used as a long vowel.
Long.
Wow.
Wow.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Wow.
Wow.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Wow.
Wow.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Wow.
Wow.
So the next letter we have is Ha.
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 Don't put too much emphasis. Ha.
Ha.
So the ha sound comes from the bottom of the throat, which is nearest to the chest. ha.
Ha.
No, don't put too much. You're doing ha, ha. It's just a lighter hair. So often, this hair is like an English H letter, maybe similar to the English H. H for like hiding. Yeah? H for hiding. Or H for hot. So this letter is often confused with the hair. Yeah?
Ha.
This hair, we put a lot of emphasis like hair, hair, hair. This one has a lot of emphasis. This one is just lightly passing through your mouth. Hair, hair.
Ha.
Meme,
Meme.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
hair,
Ha.
meme,
Meme.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
hair,
Ha.
meme,
Meme.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
hair.
Ha.
So the next letter we are doing is Hamza.
Hamza.
Hamza. So the Hamza sound comes bottom of the throat, which is nearest to the chest. It actually denotes a glottal stop. The name is Hamza, but the sound is different. It denotes a glottal stop. We will come to that. As we practice, we will come into that. And Hamza, what we can say about Hamza is, just to make it easy for us to understand, we can call it lazy. So it's a lazy letter which likes to always sit on something. So he can't carry himself, he always needs another letter to sit on. Hence, you have some scholars which say that because Hamza always needs something to sit on, there and often it sits on alif. So therefore, alif is not included in the sound. So then you get some scholars saying, oh, there are only 28 letters in the Arabic language, and then you get some others saying there are 29 letters in the Arabic language. But anyway, that's not a major problem. So Hamza, it denotes a glottal stop. As I mentioned, Hamza is a bit lazy. He needs somebody to sit on. So he likes to sit on 3 previous letters we've done. Well, 2 previous ones and 1 we will still be covering yet. We've not covered yet. So he likes to sit on an alif. So Hamza likes to sit on an alif followed by a fatha. Hamza likes to sit on a alif
Followed by
fatha. Yeah. Like we need a chair to sit on, Hamza always needs somebody to sit on. So he likes to sit on 3 letters. How many letters? 3.
3.
So he firstly likes to sit on an alif followed by a fatha. Then Hamza likes to sit on a waw followed by a dhamma. Hamza likes to sit on a waw followed by a dhamma. And he likes to sit on a ya, we've not covered the ya yet, followed by a kasra. He likes to sit on a ya followed by a kasra. So what is fatha? Fatha means a line on the top. In Urdu, they call it as zabar. Fatha means a line on the top. Dhamma means that round waw, small waw, which in Urdu is pesh. If there's any Urdu followers, it might make it easier for them to understand. And then the ya, Hamza likes to sit on a ya followed by a kasra. Kasra means just a line at the bottom, which means zair in Urdu. So the 3 letters Hamza likes to sit on: alif, waw, ya. Alif, waw, ya.
Alif, waw, ya.
Yeah, for now we're just going to learn the name is Hamza. It denotes a glottal stop, but we will not do the sound as of yet. Okay? Okay, so the last letter for today is a ya. The ya, you can see there are 2 shapes to it. So you've got this ya and then you've got this one. So they both are exactly the same. There's no difference. So this is the last letter. You won't call it 2 separate yas. They both are one. They're just written differently. So the ya sound comes when the middle of the tongue touches the palate. Ya,
Ya.
ya,
Ya.
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 So the ya sound comes when the middle of the tongue, where is the middle of the tongue? Touches the upper palate. Ya,
Ya.
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 So the ya is often used as a vowel. It's often used as a vowel. It is a light letter. Yeah, it is a light letter. And you can also say it is the only letter with 2 dots at the bottom. It is the only letter with the 2 dots at the bottom. So mim,
Mim.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
ha,
Ha.
hamza,
Hamza.
ya,
Ya.
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 Mim,
Mim.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
ha,
Ha.
hamza,
Hamza.
ya,
Ya.
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 Mim,
Mim.
noon,
Noon.
wow,
Wow.
ha,
Ha.
hamza,
Hamza.
ya,
Ya.
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 So this takes us to the end of page number 6, Haruf al-Hijaiya. So we've completed the full Arabic alphabet. So inshallah, next lesson we will be going through the different harakat and their sounds they make with the different diacriticals. So Jazakallah khair for attending today. Before we complete, actually, what are the full mouth letters? Do you remember them?
Yes.
What are they?
Khosataqalqara.
Okay. How many letters are there in the Arabic language?
29.
Okay. Okay, that's all I can think for. What 3 letters does Hamza like to sit on?
Wow. Ya and Alif.
Okay, well done. Why? Why does he like to sit on them?
Is because Alif for Fatah, then Wow for Dhamma, and then Ya for Kasra.
Yeah, because he's lazy, isn't it?
Yeah,
he needs to
he's
see.
lazy.
He needs to see. Okay. Jazakallah khair for attending today. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.